Van Andel Institute for Education is a proud partner of School News Network. Find engaging programs for students and professional development and tools for teachers delivered in person, virtually, or blended. Learn more at vaei.org.
It's about science, technology, engineering, and math. I love technology so much.
Pursuing a career in STEM would actually be very right for me, and science is my favorite.
If I had to rate my experience, it would probably be like 1,000,000 out of 10. This experience was a 10 out of 10, and I want to come here.
We're at Davenport University with our fifth graders, and we are taking advantage of the faculty here to review several hands-on activities. The students are making hydro-gels, they're learning about math magic, binary codes, and a few other things, as well as the opportunity to tour the campus today. In the fall, they all take advantage of an opportunity that we have for a STEM day in school, and this is sort of a follow-up to that.
These kids were excited. We first started off working on robotics. They realized that, wow, I can create different patterns, different routes for this robot.
I love doing my math magic, and when they try to participate and try to come up with the answers, I can see them think, okay, math maybe isn't so bad.
She was able to guess our number because of the power of the wand.
Out of all the activities I've done, the polymer was the best. We got to learn more about how it combines and how we use it in our everyday life.
It was very fun when we got to control the robot. It teaches us a lot of technologies and things we could do with our robot and what we could learn.
So it can help us prepare for the future, like in high school or middle school.
Davenport is such a great community partner with us, and they bring to the table so many different learning opportunities for our students, and we are so glad to work with them every year.
Every year I hear, oh, that's the school I want to go to. I can't wait to go there. They're engaged. They're just excited to see what they can do. In the classroom right now with the math magic, I see the gears turning. Kids are trying to figure out, how is this teacher guessing my original number? And I love it.
The STEM careers, they aren't going away. All they are doing is increasing. Taking part in a STEM career really increases their chances of success and being independent and being a positive contributor to society.
Exposure is really key in fifth grade. It gives them an idea of what's out there and what the possibilities might be.
STEM rocks.
I love STEM.
I love STEM.
I love STEM.
STEM rocks!